Mark here, Tuesday, December the 30th. It's 9:17 a.m. Eastern, 2:17 p.m. GMT. US session well underway. And let's have a look how the US dollar is performing. Off to a strong start. You can see the green candlestick. I've got support at 97.62. I've got resistance at 97.85. That's matching yesterday's resistance. And you can see price activity is trading above the descending trend line. So US dollar off to a strong start on the index. We'll see whether that can be maintained during the US session and a push higher up to test 98 or higher, or if there's going to be a turnaround like we saw yesterday from strong US to weak US and sellers step in, looking down at the 97.62 support level. Let's have a look at the majors. And here you see the strong US dollar. Red candlestick, that's selling euro, buying US dollar. I've got resistance at 117.80 and I've got support at 117.52. Sellers of euro, buyers of US will look to break below, break below this support level. If we get a turnaround from strong to weak US dollar and we get buyers of euro, sellers of US looking for that would look for a bounce up of the support level to go up and test this 117.80 resistance level. Let's have a look at the pound against the US. Also strong US dollar. You can see the red candlestick. EMA is crossed to the downside. That's selling pound, buying US dollar. I've got resistance at 135.33, tough resistance level, and I've got support at 134.77, also tough support level, which sellers haven't been able to maintain below over the past few days. We'll see whether US dollar strength continues and sellers break below the support level, or if we get a turnaround from strong to weak US dollar and buyers step in of pound and a bounce up the support level, looking up at the 135.33 resistance level. US dollar against the yen. We'll see if we've got US dollar strength here as well. Green candlestick, that's buying US, selling yen, tested earlier before, but US dollar buyers did step in at the support. Support 155.75, strong support level over the past week. And I've got resistance at 156.35. US dollar buyers will look to break above this resistance level. Weak US dollar buying yen would look for a turnaround off this resistance area and look down and retest the 155.75 support. And then we have US dollar against the Canadian. And here we see US certainly looking to continue what it started yesterday. Small green candlestick looks to be giving up some of those gains right now. I've got support at 136.78 and I've got resistance at 137.08. There you can see it has been tested, the resistance, higher highs, higher lows on the chart. But if you look at the hourly, there you see the turnaround, selling US dollar, buying Canadian. So we'll see whether that materializes, if sellers can get back to the support 136.78 or lower, or if we have continued dollar strength and come up and retest this 137.08. So certainly strong US dollar to start. We're seeing it on the index. We're seeing it against all the majors. Bit of a turnaround right now. Looks like the majors are fighting back against the US. We'll see whether that can materialize. We've got resistance, support levels to work with, and good trading. I'll see you at the end of the day.